The next topic you need to study about cubes of negative numbers. Very simple. If any for positive integer m minus m cube is the cube of minus m. For example, if I take minus 27 is a cube of minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 9. 9 into minus 3, that is minus 27. But minus 1 is cube of minus 1 only, cube of itself. Okay, this is one thing. If you coming to the cube of rational numbers, m by n raised to 3 is equal to m cube by n cube. Okay, this is one thing. Then what is cube root? A number m is a cube root of a number n. Then a number m is a cube root of number n, means n is equal to m cube. Then is m is a cube root of n. Okay, then m is denoted by, you can say cube root of n is equal to m, you can say denote, where n is a radicand and 3 is the index of the radical. We can say cube root of n is also called radical. Cube root of this n is called radical and 3 is called index of the radical. Okay, where n is equal to radicand. The next one is cube root. If you know the things, how to find out the cube root, uh, we need to some for perfect cube we are telling all those steps. First you have to take a number and subtract 1 from the given number. If you get 0, then whatever the cube root of a number is 1, otherwise go to the next step. Next, subtract the 7 from the resulting number. This is and if you get in the step 2, whatever you can get step 2, you can subtract the 7 from the resulting number in step 2. If the result is 0, then cube root of given number is 2, otherwise go to the next step. Then subtract the 19. Here the sequence, if you should follow here. Subtract the 19 from the resulting number. 3 years, 1 increased by 1 here, 1 is increased by 2. That is only these things are changing. The remaining is same. 1 is also here, 1 is 6 is also there, 6, 2 is also there. Just increase by these two numbers by 1, 3. That is 1 plus 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 6, that is 19. Subtract 19 from the resulting number. Okay. In step 2, if you get 0, the cube root of given number is 3. Otherwise, go to the next. Continue this process till you can get 0. I will give an example you can easily understand. Okay. For example, I can say if you want to find out a cube root of 216, if you, first what you can do, you subtract from 1. If if you get 0, we didn't get 0, you get 1215. Continue process. First step is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 6, that is 7. You subtract from 7, you get 208. Okay, till we don't get the 0, again subtract from this, increase by 2 and increase this one by 1, you can get 19. Subtract from 19, again we didn't get 0, again continue 37. If you subtract from the number, okay, then still we don't get 0, again 61. After 61 we can get 91, and If you subtract this 91, you can get 0. See here. These are the subtract. First 1, next 7, this 19, next 37, next 61, next 91. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times is subtraction is performed to get 0. Therefore, cube root of 216 is 6. But you have to remember this sequence, okay, in order to understand. If you take one more example, you can clearly understand. For example, again 3, 4, 3 is there. First subtract from 1, okay, you don't get 0. Then subtract from 7, then still we don't get 0. 19, 37, 61, 91, and 127, then we can get 0. Therefore, subtraction is performed 7 times. Therefore, cube root of 343, 343 is equal to 7. Like this, we can do the find the cube roots for small numbers, but very large number it is not convenient. Okay, this is cube root of 343 and all those things.